Hello, everybody. Rebecca here. I hope you all are doing well. Today is 9/2/2025 and the time is 12:01 p.m. So I'm making this video for people that live in the counties in the state of North Carolina who still have to go through having emissions inspections and safety inspections done. Emission inspection is different than the safety inspection. If your car is 20 years or older, you do not have to have an emissions inspection done. In some parts of North Carolina, it is no longer done at all, and the safety inspection is the only thing that is done. However, in the county that I live in, which is Cumberland, we still have to have these inspections done. So, I started out with a check engine light on, and I'm going to tell you all the process to go through to get your waiver. So, you're going to take your car, which is what my little blue one is right in front of you guys, and you take it to the shop and you go in there, and if your check engine light's on, you're going to fail. So you get a fail, and then you have to pay for $200 plus work. So I ended up paying almost $300 for the work being done on my car. And I drove the car away from there, and the check engine light came back on 50 miles later. So I had to go back this morning and took the car back after having the $300 worth of work done. I took the car back in this morning, which is Tuesday, and I had a second inspection done. I failed that second inspection. They give you the paperwork, and then you take that paperwork and you go out to and I'm going to show you this, to the License and Theft Bureau. And for North Carolina, from my area, that's Cape Fear River. So you have to drive all the way out by the Cape Fear Hospital. And you take your paperwork to them. They give you this paperwork after taking your, your fails. They take that paperwork from you and they give you this paperwork, which is the waiver authorization. Then you take that back to where you've had your car worked on, and they do a third inspection. During the third inspection, they enter the number and it sends your car through on a pass, but you're only passed for a year. So what I found out today is that the issue with my car is the catalytic converter. So I don't know exactly how much of that costs to fix, but I do know now what the issue is after having the other sensors done on the vehicle and having the second inspection done, of which they read the new codes to see what the new codes were. It came up catalysts and something else and something else. So they said that it is the catalytic converter. So at least it's not the computer on the car, but it is the catalytic converter, which has really got me kind of upset. I don't know how much that's going to cost to fix, but I have a year to get it done. However, this car bankrupted me for this month. I mean, I'm being serious. I have a total of $1 to my name, but I'm just happy that this is taken care of. The next step that you take is you don't have to you don't have to go stand in line to go register your taxes and all of that. You can actually do it online at my ncdmv.gov, and you can get it done there. And then the next thing I have to take care of, because they told me 6 months out to get my driver's license, so I have that to take care of. But I just wish all of this was over with. The taxes on the car aren't too bad. It's $150, so I get that taken care of and be done. So that's how you go about getting the waiver done. They will not accept any work done before the first inspection on the car. So any work has to be done after the first inspection and before the second inspection. So you can't go get work done, like say a day or two beforehand, and then you still have a code on and say, oh, but I did this work. It doesn't work like that. The work has to be done after the first inspection. So for anybody that's having this issue, I hope this helps you out some. It's a process. It's not one that I wish anybody to have to go through. It's stressful. is time consuming. It takes money, and it's something that I didn't want to go through. But anyways, I just wanted to make this real quick update for anybody who's had to go through this same thing. And anyways, you guys, hope this helps somebody out. Much love.